Hey guys, and welcome to what is now a little bit less exciting place than those theme parks or cruise ships or other places around Florida that we visit together in these vlogs. But I say right now because hopefully in the future you're gonna love being in this office to see what kind of magic we're creating right here. And that brings me to the introduction to a new series of vlogs that I'm so excited to currently be working on. I have like 3 vlogs ready for you guys to watch and enjoy, but I felt like I needed a little intro before I just started doing that stuff. What we're gonna be doing is bringing some of that technical magic that you and I both love at the Walt Disney World theme parks around the world. We're gonna be bringing that, recreating that in my house, and I'm gonna vlog that for you and share the progress, share the final creation. And that kind of brings home what I've kind of grown to love about the Walt Disney World and theme parks in general is how do they do that? How do they do that stuff? You know, how do they make that Colortopia paintbrush change colors and interact with the screen? How do they do that? And that brings me to the first project that we're starting with in this series. We are going to try to recreate that Colortopia magic paintbrush that you actually can no longer visit at Epcot. It was in Epcot's Innoventions. Colortopia was a newer addition to that pavilion, and we actually experienced it a few times, including its last day of operation. If you weren't able to experience Colortopia for yourself, one of the activities that you did at the very end of the experience was you grabbed this magic paintbrush and you dipped it into various paint buckets, and the bristles changed colors as you did that, as you interacted with the different paint buckets. And then on the screen, you would paint whatever color your magic paintbrush was. And it was such a cool experience. I loved it so much. I loved it so much, in fact, that it is the inspiration for the first project that I've been working on for the last few weeks. Now, how are we going to do something like that? How are we going to do something that a team of Imagineers worked on? So to kind of recreate that handle, the handle of that paintbrush, we're going to 3D print it. In order to know how big we need to make that paintbrush, we first need to get our Raspberry Pi working, which I'm going to pull something to the side. I said I have been working on something. You'll see this in a future vlog. This is our Raspberry Pi connected to the breadboard here. This is what we're going to be using to kind of control that paintbrush. Tell it, okay, these bristles should be red now. These bristles should be yellow now, stuff like that. This Raspberry Pi is really going to be the mastermind of this project. And I'm going to show you how we control the Raspberry Pi and why we're plugging in stuff like all these wires all over the place. I'm going to show you all that. So I've kind of started focusing on that Raspberry Pi part because we'll need to get that working and ready before we know how large we need to make our paintbrush, because we're going to need to design that paintbrush handle. So that is what I've been working on most recently and having such a good time doing it. I really hope you guys enjoy this new series because I already have the next project lined up and I'm even more excited about that one. So I hope you're excited to embark on this journey of creativity and innovation with me as we both are bound to learn a ton along the way and really bring that Disney magic home in a way we can interact with and just be in awe of because we made it. So look forward to that, and I will see you in the next vlog. Thanks for watching.